In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for cold email. We'll start in HubSpot and turn a cold list into real conversations. First, add your cold leads. Open contacts, then contacts, and either import a CSV or add people one by one. During import, map columns so name, email, company, and source, like LinkedIn or your website, land in the right properties. Clean data is key for personalization later. Keep your list relevant and make sure your outreach follows the rules in your region. Next, segment your leads. Create a master list for cold outreach. Then build focused lists by industry, such as coaches or real estate. Segmentation lets you tailor messages, compare performance by niche, and avoid sending a generic blast. Now create simple, reusable cold email templates. Go to conversations, then templates, or compose an email and save it. Keep copy short and human. A strong structure is subject, quick question, first name, then hi for first name. I came across your business and noticed a specific detail. I help a certain type of client achieve a clear result. Would you be open to a quick chat this week? Close with a friendly sign-off. Use tokens like first name and company, avoid jargon, and make the ask low effort. When you're ready to send, choose your approach. For targeted outreach, open a contact, click email, insert your template, and personalize the first line so it clearly relates to them. For scale, use automation, then sequences. Build a light sequence with an initial email on day 1, a follow-up on day 3, and a final check-in on day 7. HubSpot sends these one by one, so it won't look like bulk spam. Add follow-up tasks to stay on track. Set tasks to create automatically when there's no reply, and schedule manual check-ins for promising leads. Most responses arrive after 2 or 3 polite nudges. Track performance in the CRM. Watch open rate, click rate, and most importantly, replies. If opens are low, test different subject lines. If replies lag, adjust your list or tighten the first sentence to highlight value faster. Finally, personalize at scale. Use tokens for name, company, and industry. And add a single sentence that shows you did your homework, such as, I saw your coaching business and liked a recent post. That brief, relevant detail helps you stand out without slowing you down.